Thank you to TimeTec for sponsoring this video. So I've been wanting to upgrade the RAM on my PC for a few months now to try and make editing and general usage easier. So when the folks over at TimeTec reached out to us and offered to send us some RAM, once again, I'd like to thank TimeTec for graciously sending us 32 gigabytes of DDR4. However, they had one request. All they asked for was an honest review of their product, so why not? To begin, if you look up the prices of this RAM on Amazon, they're actually less expensive than other value brands. Now, yes, this RAM doesn't have a flashy heatsink or RGB cover, but for only about $20, it's easy to find an RGB heatsink that you can install yourself. Performance-wise, nothing is compromised for the price. To make this review, we received 32 gigabytes of DDR4 clocked at 2400 MHz using about 1.2 volts. In memory-hungry tasks such as editing videos, this memory performs on par with every other budget memory that I've tested. In the BIOS, all the memory is recognized and running at the rated speeds. Now, is this super fast enthusiast-grade memory? No, but for the price point that it's at, it's aiming for the budget market and they're doing a phenomenal job. At only about $79.99 for an 8GB kit, the price is compelling and is easily moddable to make the memory look more appealing. On top of this, TimeTec offers a lifetime warranty and lifetime support, meaning if something goes wrong, they're always there to either help you or replace your hardware. All in all, this memory is one of the best values on the market for budget builds. It performs excellently for the price and is inexpensive compared to other known brands. If you're looking for RAM to put into your budget gaming or editing machine, TimeTec memory is definitely one of the best options available. It's inexpensive compared to other options and it performs exactly the same. For us here, TimeTec memory will be our go-to choice for building new machines, and if you would like to check out their Amazon store page, links will be in the description. So thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video and want to support the channel, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and don't forget to check the description if you want to take a look at TimeTec memory. If you want to watch more, click here for more videos, and thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.